Presenting the Samsung Galaxy A52. The phone has display of 16.40 cm, 6.5 inch, 1080x, FHD+, and 407 ppi. The phone also has FHD+ resolution. It has 64MP plus 12MP plus 5MP plus 5MP quad camera setup, 64MP, f1.8, and main camera plus 8MP, f2.2. It has ultra-wide camera 123, f2.4, and depth camera plus 5MP, 2.4. Macro camera, f2.2, and 16M colors. It comes with 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. Expandable memory up to 1TB, and it supports dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on Android 11 and V11.0 operating system. It is powered by 2x2.3 GHz plus 6x 1.8 GHz and octa-core processor. It also features 64MP plus 12MP plus 8MP plus 5MP. The delivery box contains handset and ejection pin, manual and data cable, and travel adapter. Product